see under our LED grow lights, we do have seedlings emerging. Okay everybody, we're about 3 weeks from starting our seeds indoor. These are our peas. It's time to move these into larger containers, start to harden them outdoors, and then get them in the ground. So we'll use a larger pea pot. Take one of our peas out. Get them in the pot and put some more soil around it. Give it a little drink. And that one's ready. Alright, taking Mr. Pea plant out of his smaller container and moving her into a bigger home. Some more soil. Compact it. And a little drink. Nice. Whoops. Okay, so we've moved our peas to our larger containers. We'll start to harden these guys, and that means moving them outdoors for a few hours each day, and a little bit longer each day for about a week. And then they'll be ready to go in the ground. Next, we're going to take some of this lettuce and cut it up into thirds. 1/3 we're going to move towards more of a window ledge planter system. We'll put some in here with soil. Another 1/3 we'll move outdoors in the little planters in the middle of the yard. And then the last 1/3 we'll leave underneath the lights for a little bit indoors. Next, we're going to be starting some more seeds, both vegetables and flowers, to attract our pollinators. In these 4 containers, we'll be doing tomato and basil. In these 2, coneflowers for the bees. 2 varieties of tomatoes. Lots of Pac-Man broccoli. We really like this hybrid in this zone. We're in Maryland. And snapdragons, again, for our friends the bees. Snapdragon. They are so tiny. Alright, we'll just go ahead and cover these with a little more soil and get them a little wet.